Hey guys, I'm Aurora. Welcome back to Fire Strategies Resources YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to click the bell icon on all so you will be notified every time we upload a video. I want to remind you that every day on our YouTube channel we do live broadcasts. Our program is as follows. From Monday to Friday we do live Forex, while on weekends we do live on crypto. Please follow us. In this video, I will show you Bollinger Bands with RSI Scalping. That is a reversal strategy based on the extreme volatility of the price when it comes out of the bands. In the following image, I will show you the setup of the strategy. Trading type scalping, trade style reversal, time frame 1 minute, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Currency pairs measures, for example, EUR-USD, AUD-USD, GBP-USD, USD-JPY. Trade sessions London and New York. Indicators Bollinger Bands, period 2, deviation 2, RSI 14 period close. Select, for example, EUR-USD M1 to M3 chart with OHLC for the bars or candle. The first indicator we are going to use is the Bollinger Bands. Once you are in your demo account, click on Add Study and select Bollinger Bands with the parameters 20 and 2. You will notice that these act as support resistance as price penetrates the Bollinger Bands. It normally retraces at least back to the center line, and more often than not it will get to the opposite band. Using Bollinger Bands on their own is far from profitable. We also need to know when the price oversold at the same time as it is outside the Bollinger Bands. Position stop. Position is stopped out. Do not trade this again. Wait for another opportunity. In the following video, I will show you how I do the setup of the strategy. Trading rules Bollinger Bands with RSI Scalping. Long trades. The price should be outside the lower. When the price is extended by 7-10 pips below lower band and 5 quarts minute chart is also showing the price outside the lower Bollinger Bands, go long. Place stop loss order 10 pips below the entry point. When in the trade, as soon as you are showing 10-15 pips profit, exit the trade. A second entry can be taken if the price moves 15 pips below your first entry, stopping you out. If this second position is stopped out, do not trade this again. Wait for another opportunity. Short trades. The price should be outside the upper bound. When the price is extended by 7-10 pips above upper bound and 5-minute chart is also showing the price outside the lower Bollinger Band, go short. Place stop loss order 10 pips below the entry point. When in the trade, as soon as you are showing 10-15 pips profit, exit the trade. A second entry can be taken if the price moves 15 pips below your first entry, stopping you out. If this second position is stopped out, do not trade this again. Wait for another opportunity. Examples. The screenshot below shows a scalping trade on the 1-minute chart. The closing figure of the lower Bollinger Band on the previous candle is 1.4649 and the price went down to 1.4639 on the next candle 8-10 pips below the Bollinger Band figure, triggering an entry setup. After confirmation for the 5-minute trading chart that the price was also below the lower Bollinger Bands, an entry was made at 1.4641 with a 2 pips spread and a stop was placed 10 pips below the entry. Profit was taken at 1.4654 for plus 13 pips. The next examples of a long trade captures 11 pips profit. When the price then moved outside the lower Bollinger Bands, so we had a look at the previous candle and the closing Bollinger Bands figure, 1.4575. This meant if the price went as low as 1.4565 or lower, we would enter a trade to go long. If there was confirmation of the 5-minute chart, a trade was taken at 1.4565 with a 2 pip spread, giving us an entry price of 1.4567 with a 10 pip stop at 1.4557. The trade was closed out at 1.4578 for 11 pips profit. Confirmation to take the trade on the 5-minute chart below. In this example, the entry was confirmed to go short at 1.4708 on the 5-minute chart below, 8 pips above the close of the Bollinger Band, trading from the previous candle at 1.47. A stop was placed 10 pips away. Unfortunately, this first trade was stopped out at minus 10 pips and the price carried on upwards. After it had moved 5 pips above our first trade stop, a second trade was placed to go short at 1.4723 with a stop 10 pips above 1.4733. This trade was successful with a plus 15 pips profit, wiping out the loss on the first trade and coming away with plus 5 pips. This forex system is very good. Examples of trades. So, if you're enjoying the content of this video, make sure to smash the like button, and if you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer those comments as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us also on Instagram, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!